Hey everybody, welcome to another episode in YaadMentz Tries.
Yes.
Alright, so we're really excited about this episode. I am, because I've been hearing about this hot and ready. It's been advertising all over local television and it's been out here for a little while. And we still haven't tried it, but we're going to try it today.
It's the first time I'm having Little Caesars
Same
pizza.
here, yeah. So we're going to be trying Little Caesars Hot and ready pepperoni pizza.
Even though when we got there, it wasn't ready. You know, we had to wait like a couple minutes. Like
about
like
12
minutes. Close to 15 minutes.
Okay, yeah. It wasn't ready. But I guess, you know, there still has to be a fresh element to it. It can't be too stale. I guess. Yeah, we got the pepperoni one. You can get either the pepperoni or plain cheese one. And it was $1,000 for a large pizza.
$1,000.
Yeah, flat.
$1,000. So I'm opening the box right now. Yeah.
There we go.
So it's basically a pepperoni pizza, and again, I don't eat pepperoni, so
so
I'm gonna pick them
all
off and this one. Let me take out one so far.
Why don't you use a napkin, Sharon? Use a napkin there. And of course, we got napkins, and we got pepper with it. So the pepper is somewhere. I don't know where the pepper is. Just put them on that slice there. So.
That's the one you're going to have.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
So yeah, it's actually 8 slices that are in their large pizza. Just a point of information. Yeah.
Make sure I get off all the peps. You know.
Yeah. You're not gonna die if you eat a little pork.
I'm not, but I just don't want any pepperoni. There we go. First off the bat, it's not stiff, you know. There's like, look at that. It's like a lot of oil or
pizza is oily. I mean,
the cheese just really melts into it. I don't know. Normally I have like a YaadMentz pizza is like really stiff. This is really soft based on all the crust here. I'm gonna have my first
Oreo. Come hungry.
Soft. It reminds me of Pizza Hut pizza. It's not that sweet as Pizza Hut pizza, because Pizza Hut pizza have a sweetness to their dough. This have a good ratio of salt and sweet. Yeah, kind of greasy.
The fish?
Yeah, kind of one.
It's okay. It's different from a Domino's and a Pizza Hut. The crust is definitely much softer. I agree with you on that. Kind of feel like bread. If you know National Weekender bread, like the soft slices,
white bread.
It kind of gives you that kind of feel. I'm not really tasting the tomato sauce.
It's not so strong on it.
Yeah, and I think a lot of what gives pizza its flavor is the sauce, because you know they season the sauce. So in that regard, it's alright. The pepperoni is crisp and nice. Yeah, it's okay. And what I should say about this pizza is that the slices are cut very big. Usually when I get a Domino's, you have some
small slices,
some small, some big. Some of them it look like they cut a big slice. Right, they cut a big slice in two to make up the amount of slices that's supposed to be in the box. So I can see the consistency in terms of this. The slices are definitely bigger, definitely than a Pizza Hut and a Domino's. But I mean, the flavor is okay. I mean, it's a hot and ready pizza.
It's kind of fresh too. Like the cheese. It's on the fresher side of all the pizzas I've had. Like, I don't know.
Yeah, it's more bland to me. Like,
it's not all that. And as I said, the crust is soft and. No, I think Pizza Hut crust is softer than this, but Domino's pizza is like have a more tough crust. It's not so dry.
It isn't so dry.
So,
it's okay. I mean, I guess we might buy it again. I don't know.
I mean, if everywhere else pop up and this is like a choice that you can definitely get with ease, because you know, say Pizza Hut and Domino's always pop up. So this is definitely a choice that you can try. It's fresh to me. You can't really taste all that much sauce. It's just a plain old pizza. You can't bake in a
It's a regular. We tried it. YaadMentz tried it.
Yeah. It's not all that really. It's not all that. But for $1,000 for a pizza, quick and ready and easy, I guess.
Yeah, definitely affordable.
Yeah.
And competitive in terms of price for a large pizza.
For a large pizza, yeah.
Yeah, definitely. So I mean, if you're on a little budget. Whoa! If you're on a little budget. If you're on a little budget, people, listen to what I'm saying. Right? You can get this and you can have it for dinner on a Friday.
Yeah.
And then have it for dinner on a Saturday. If it's you alone live, you never know. So if you're on a budget, it's fine.
It is definitely not a first choice, but as I say, if everywhere else pack and you need to get something quick and easy, try Caesars Pizza.
Hot and ready.
Hot and ready pepperoni
Quick
pizza.
and simple.
Or cheese or whatever. But I will definitely not give it a thumbs up. I wouldn't give it a thumbs up. No.
I don't think it's a halfway.
Halfway thumb. I would give it a thumbs up. But it's alright. Well guys, there you go. Pizza. Little Caesars.
Caesars pizza. First time I'm trying it.
First time trying it. First time like for real. I haven't done it.
I know you guys probably tried it before.
Yeah.
Big up my friend Kevin when I was back from Little Caesars. Big up yourself, Kevin.
Yeah, it's fresh.
Oh yeah, you are them ambassador. But yeah, let us know what you guys think about their hot and ready pizza if you had it. And also, of course, let us know what else you want us to try that's new or
Yes.
market. Let us know, guys.
Well, thank you for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, share the video, follow us on Instagram, like our page on Facebook as well. This is YaadMentz Tries. When you're through watching this video, you can hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get our latest videos. Also, head over to Instagram and follow us at YaadMentz so you can see our latest posts.